What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a little project for my 2019 Honda Accord. So this black gloss pieces are the lower front bumper cover. So this is gonna come right underneath here, all across. There's a black gloss all across the lower trim of the bumper, and I'm gonna show it to you what it's gonna look like and how I'm gonna install it. So pretty much this is just a straight up plug and play. It came with the 3M tape, but I replaced it with my own 3M tape right over here, as you can see. And I already cleaned the front bumper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to install it. So after cleaning this area, we're just gonna go ahead and grab the driver's side of me. We're just gonna install it. Pre-fit, and we're just gonna take the protector for the adhesive on 3M tape. There you go. And we're just gonna eyeball this. Make sure it's nice and secure. Press on it firmly. There you go. And you're just gonna do the whole process all across the car. One thing to note, guys, if you have the fog light, the Akasaka fog light trim, it should sit flush for this trim right over here. As you can see right over there, and should fit perfectly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car, and I'll show you the finished product. Some might prefer to start in the middle, since the middle piece is gonna come like this. So what I did, and I forgot to show it to you, is I attached the driver's side first without installing fully on this side, where the driver's side, the edge of it, since on this side it's gonna look like this. So I prefer the middle piece to be in the middle, so I use this as a reference on the driver's side and just install it. So this one's gonna be on top, and this is gonna be in the bottom. There's a lock right over there, and make sure everything's secure. And I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the passenger side. So there you go, guys. That's the final look of the lower front bumper, gloss black. And as you can see right over there, perfect fitment. There you go. And some of you might encounter a minor bump. So as for me on the passenger side, I had to adjust the whole fog light eyebrow, the Akasaka piece, and push it up a little bit in order for me to install this small piece over here. As you can see, 3M tape is not sticking a little bit, but I'll fix that in a few. So yeah, that's the whole look right over here. So yeah guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time.